Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside FL Studio by choosing a low-latency driver. Pick a CO for reliable monitoring. Once done, plug your microphone or audio interface into your computer and confirm the device shows in the audio settings. Next, create an audio track in the mixer, assign the physical input, for example input 1, to that track, and enable the track for recording. This first set of steps gets signal into FL Studio and ensures you can hear a monitored signal without annoying delay. Now you focus on clean levels and routing. Set the preamp or interface gain so the mixer peak meters sit near -6 to -3 decibels. This prevents clipping while preserving headroom. Make sure input monitoring is turned on for the mixer track so you can hear yourself, then arm recording in the playlist and choose disk recording if you want separate WAV files. Also confirm the sample rate, like 44.1 kHz, and adjust buffer size for a balance between latency and stability. Finish by reviewing your takes in the playlist and comp together the best performances. Make sure to rename and organize files for future editing. Once you have a good take, apply basic processing like corrective EQ and gentle compression to control dynamics, then normalize or trim excess silence. If you run into no audio, first recheck a CO selection and mixer input routing, then inspect physical cables and interface power. If latency or pops persist, increase buffer size and try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.